际新闻来关心，美国总统 Trump 昨昏和中国国家主席习近平两个人有通电话，双方即马是同意要重新来启动贸易谈判。也若最近中国是暂停稀土出口，造成全世界供应链较紧张。Trump 是强调一定要确保美国嘅供应安全。另外，习近平嘛要求美国就要谨慎来处理台湾问题，避免一寡台独情绪，互中国和美国嘅关系变紧张。也若中国和美国双方嘛拢提出善意，就对方去访问。
美国总统川普甲中国国家主席习近平通电话90分钟，也是川普一家重新登去北京了，第一遍甲习近平直接讲电话。
We're going to have Scott and Howard and Jameson will be going and meeting with their top people and continue it forward. But no, I think we have everything. I think we're in very good shape with China and the trade deal. We have a deal with China, as you know, but we were straightening out some of the points, having to do mostly with rare earth, magnets, and some other things.
So those reduced trade tariff rates, they remain in effect?
Yeah, we have the deal. I mean, we've had a deal. We announced the deal.
Did you talk about the Chinese students? Are you allowing them to come to the U.S.?
No, Chinese students are coming. No problem.
中国央视报道，习近平讲，美国应该用实际态度来看伫台湾会谈的进展，撤销对中国实施的消极举动，也讲欢迎川普过来中国访问，同时对川普讲，未校正中美关系这台大船的航向，将双方决定控制方向，尤其是排除各种干扰甚至是破坏。同时也讲到，美国应该慎重处理台湾的问题。避免极少数台独分裂分子，将中美两国拖入去冲突对抗的危险。这边通电话是美中5月12达成90天关系暂停协议了进行。在这段期间，双方有缘互相指责对方违反协议。中国批评美国限制华为晶片出口，高取消签证。美国是指责中国无法稀土的出口许可。公司新闻吴文玲编辑。